Hello gardening friends, I think I found the answer to my vine borer problem, and it's in a summer squash. Well, it's actually a summer and winter squash. It's in the zucchini family and it's called Tromboncino. Let me make sure I got that right. Yeah, Tromboncino. I guess because it has a long outer fruit, and it ends in like a ball, which is like a bell of the trombone. So should be interesting. So welcome. This is Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. Today I'm going to plant these Tromboncinos. I got these seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds. Oh, I saw a hummingbird. Sorry, I always have to get distracted by hummingbirds. But these are supposed to not get the vine borers because they're a vining zucchini. They're in the zucchini family, but unlike most zucchinis, which have like a succulent plant, these are a vining plant, almost like a cucumber. So let me see. I do have a fact sheet around here somewhere. Oh, here it is. Isn't that wonderful? It was just right up there for me. Tromboncino. Tromboncino, also known as zucchetta, is a type of squash often used as a summer squash. While nearly all summer squash are cultivars of cucurbita, Tromboncino is a cultivar of Cucurbita moschata. It is an Italian crop, obviously. Sounds like a fine wine, doesn't it? The vining growth habit is similar to many winter squashes, but unlike most other summer squash. And the vine borers can't get in the thick vining, the vining vine that this is going to be. That's my take on it. So anyways, let's see. Well, I guess that's enough of that. Let me show you Baker Creek's packaging. They have awesome packaging. Look at that. Isn't that cool? They have offers and stuff on the package. Plus they sent me some free seeds as well. Alright, so let me turn the camera, or get the camera closer so we can plant these. I'm going to plant them down here where I had the ground prepared for a tomato that's gone. The hot weather got this tomato for sure. So like I said, I'm planting it below here where I had a tomato planted. This tomato is gone. So I'll rip it out. And I also have some mulch covering over the soil here from my rabbit cage where my wife has her rabbits. So the soil is actually down here a ways. I'm not even going to amend it because I don't think that tomato used very much of my nutrients. So the squash seeds can be planted about 1 inch deep, which is pretty deep. And this is a trellis here. This vine is supposed to go 15 feet. Got a bunch of seeds in there. So I'm going to plant it rather heavily, so I'll make sure that I get some seeds at the perfect depth. Alright, so I put like 4 or 5 seeds in here. And you know what, I think I am going to go get some of my more like a potting soil mix to cover those seeds, because that soil there looks a little clayey to me. And I'll leave this around here loose so that I can pull the mulch down over it when they sprout. Okay, so hold on, I'll be right back. with that soil. Okay, so here's what I did. It's up here so you can see. I got basically one part of my vermiculture compost, worm composting, and then I got one part of some mushroom compost, and then I got about one part of perlite to loosen up the soil. So that should be a pretty good mix. All right, so I will put like a 1-inch over top of these seeds, and then I'll go ahead and water them in, and that should give a great start to these Tromboncino zucchini. Firm it down a little bit, and I'll give it some water. There's a bunch of worms in here from my vermicompost, so that'll be awesome too, because those worms are gonna love all that waste from the bunny cages. If you're not subscribed yet, click that subscribe B, which will be down here in the corner, and also click the bell so you get notified anytime I get new content, anytime I put something out, because I will keep you updated on this vine borer zucchini Tromboncino. Up in this corner we'll put my last video, and in the other corner we'll put a video that Google says you will like. So I'll give you a few seconds in the garden here to pick which video you're going to want. I will see you again real soon. Have a blessed day. Thanks for stopping by.